Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going back to FIFA Mobile. So today I'm going to show you how you can sign free players from the store. So what you need to do first is tap the store page at the bottom of your screen. Tap it. As you can see, there are four options here. This is for recommend, founders, event shop, and FIFA points and jumps. So mostly all you have to do is by top up by real money, but you can find free players. So don't waste your money. Just tap the free option in here, free pack, daily limit 1. In the founder store, scroll down to the bottom. So tap the free pack and let's see, this is some players that you can got from this free pack. And also these items shown are for illustration only. None of the items are guaranteed. It's not guarantee you get the Sesco or even Sima, but you are guaranteed to get one of them. So let's try tap the free. Let's see who's which player I got. Tap the open. Please continue. Oh no, I'm not got player. I'm just got training transfer item. Maybe you can try this option free pack. Maybe you can get the player. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.